This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the network interface you actually use. This matters because DNS is per adapter. Click the Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon, choose Network and Internet, then open Change Adapter Options. Once there, right-click the active adapter and choose Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP4 and click Properties again. You do this so Chrome and all apps use the address you enter, not the router defaults, which ensures predictable name resolution. With IP4 properties open, select Use the following DNS server addresses to force a specific resolver. Type the primary DNS IP in the top field, then the secondary in the alternate field. Common choices are 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4. After entering both, click OK to save, then OK again to close the adapter dialog. Make sure to close system settings so changes take effect, and to avoid leaving the system in a partially configured state. Finalize by flushing the local resolver cache so the new DNS is used immediately. Open command prompt and run ipconfig/flushdins. Then restart Chrome or clear Chrome's DNS cache at Chrome //netinternals/#DNS to remove stale entries. If pages still fail to resolve, make sure you typed IPs correctly. If problems continue, switch the adapter back to automatic DHCP to test or reboot the router. This isolates whether the DNS change or another network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.